So we are currently in the Reality Collab Lab here at HCC Central, and we're here for the Reality Club Kickoff event. It's a club that's student-led. We're just showcasing a lot of the project ideas that we have, our mission, our objectives, and everything that we have planned for the semester and everything moving forward. The idea is to foster exploration, innovation, and empathy. We're just trying to make sure that we keep ourselves up to date with all the most up-to-date technologies and softwares. So we're keeping ourselves marketable by playing around with these tools that we have here at the lab at HCC, and then also figuring out how to do some good with it as well. There's a lot of technical skills out there that are very difficult to learn by yourself. So this is the kind of community where you have access to a lot of resources and a lot of guidance. All the workshops that students have the opportunity to be involved in, all the projects that they can be involved in that kind of facilitates growth and learning, and just some entertainment and fun and community, big time. As a computer science major, I'm learning these technical skills and I'm trying to figure out how to keep it more engaging so that I can actually retain this information and do well in industry, but I also want to do something good. There's this itch in the back of my head that kind of stops me from being able to enjoy something without at least doing something good for either the community or society or just in general. So this kind of kills two birds with one stone. No experience is required for this club. So all you really need is just curiosity and just effort. And then everything else will take care of itself. We have a lot of resources here. We have a lot of support here from a lot of the directors and sponsors and presidents here along HCC. So as long as you're putting in the effort, you're guaranteed to get some pretty awesome outcomes out of this.